Vehicle manifest confirmed. Open gate 3. Access granted.
Shipment verified. Proceed to Bay 2. All right, easy back now. Hold it right there.
Keep them steady, guiding to the center chute. Copy. The gate is secure. Vetting station is ready for the first arrivals. All Longhorns registered healthy. Directing the last 3 to the veterinary bay.
Copy that. Vet team is ready.
The muscle development scan looks good.
Confirmed. We are logging the data now.
Heart rate is strong and steady.
Horn integrity scan shows no anomalies. Data uploaded.
Oral cavity shows no lesions. Document that, please.
Uploading the results to the system now.
Good. Let's check the horn base next.
Hoof condition looks good on the left side. Confirmed. Gait analysis is within acceptable parameters.
2,500 pounds on the screen, Doctor.
Yes, that aligns with the growth trajectory. Medical approval granted.
All parameters are within the healthy range.
The automated check confirms the vet's assessment. We are clear for processing.
Water quality remains optimal across the board.
Temperature holding steady at 10 degrees Celsius. Cycle complete on lane 1.
Cleanliness verified. Ready for next phase.
All parameters checked out, Supervisor. Horns are perfect. Verified. Approved for holding.
The sorted horns move through a fully automated cleaning line where powerful water jets remove dirt and impurities. Rotating brushes scrub every surface. The horn blanks are placed inside temperature-controlled steam chambers, where gentle heat softens the material without
മരുമ കേട്ടിട്ട് വേണുക.
Each polished bracelet receives a transparent protective coating that enhances